how the trust score is calculated. To design the trust score, we take information that we group into three groups. This is the trilemma of trustability. In there's three groups. There are the maturity score, the community score, and the technical score. There are three scores will then be combined to obtain the trust score. Let's go to the decomposition of their three scores to understand how they are calculated. Let's start with maturity score. This score is composed by three analyses. The age of the project, since when the age of the project since when it exists, from 0 to 50 points for 1 year of existence. If the project proposes clear means of communication, 0 points. If no means of communication, or 25 points for the opposite. If the project presents the official addresses of the BEP 20 or ERC 20 token on its website from 0 point to 25 point. The final maturity score is the sum of their three ratings. We continue. Community score, decomposition. The community score is a score composed of several analyses related to the project community. Part of it varies according to the volatility of the project token price, from 0 to 20 points, depending on the 7-day and daily charts. If the token has made the request to add clear information on the blockchain where there are, for example, BSC scan or Etherscan information, 20 point is sent, added. A part is dedicated to consistency between social networks to analyze if the project is more or less followed by bots rather than real users. This send 25 points. And finally, then we establish from 0 to 15 points for the number of holders between 5,000 holders. And finally, a score between 0 and 50 points for the daily security of vote available on a project page. The final community score is the sum of their 5 ratings. And for finish, the trilemma of trustability, the technical score, the most important case, an analysis of the market cap coherence, if it's well distributed in relation to the total supply, whether the project fully display code source, code audit in their documentation or on their website. And last part, which consists in analyzing the source code of the smart contract token project. We use the program named Slicer, available open source on GitHub, with additional case that we add. This allows us to generate a technical report automatically without human intervention. We check the alert level and determine a score between 0 and 50 points resulting from the technical analysis. verification of various CNO exploitation, and verification of hidden charge variables, and detection also on hypos. The final technical score is the sum of their 3 ratings, and for finish, we calculate the scoring weight. The scoring weight is 5% of the final score is taken from maturity score, 40% from the community score, and 55% for the technical score. The final score is complete. Is the final score displayed on the application.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for welcoming me here. Looking forward for another episode 4, and have a lovely weekends and enjoy the time.